Here we have a TurnPro 20-inch drill press, 230 volt single phase. We're just going to briefly power it up for you to show you that it does operate. We'll go forward. This is an adjustable belt drive. Reverse. It is unused. It's in really good condition. Still has the plastic on the table on the base there. It has a down feed. You can work it this way, or you can just loosen this up here, and you can turn it manually. Like I said, this is in very good condition. Operates fine. All the functions appear to operate very nicely. No real scratches or dings or anything like that. It's 1.5 horsepower. And we thank you for looking at our product.